Alright guys, it's 2 degrees, so a little warmer than fishing on the boat yesterday. We just launched here in Muskoka. Found an area here parked up. We're gonna head out that way and start exploring a bit. Once these things warm up and we get moving, I'll check back in. Winter mode. Alright guys, so we made it to Bala. We're at the Bala Bay dock. It's been about a dozen years since I've been to Bala, so figured get off the machine. I've been running for about, what would you say, an hour?
Just about an hour.
Been running for about an hour across the water, doing about 60, so not too bad. We're just gonna go explore these red dams or whatever. I'll check in if I see something cool. This is what's keeping us from going further. So realistically, if you were portaging with a canoe, just carry it across and you can keep going. What kind of stuff though? Unless I could jump my Sea-Doo over it. Alright, so we're back out on the units. We were gonna go to the other side and come out on the other side of the lake, but both of us almost simultaneously hit maintenance required on our machines. I don't know, I gotta see, we have different numbers. Mine says 165, his says 134. Gotta figure out what that means. But so since we don't think we could get anywhere further right now, and since everything else, we're gonna head back to that last bridge we stopped on, try to cast a bit, and then slowly make our way across the lake fishing. So yeah, let's head over and see if we could catch something in a few casts. Oh boy. Well, another spot without any fish. So let's make our way a little further. See what we can find. I named this Due Diligence Island. Alright guys, so that wraps up the scene here anyways. We did 2,705 kilometers across water and put 93 hours on it of running time. If you count all the fishing, I probably sat on that thing for 200 hours. But yeah, hit quite a lot of our missions and milestones. Many more to come next year as we start spanning out further, and we're actually planning a longer trip next year, more than just overnight. Try to cover more ground that way and go from there. So this will be the last Sea-Doo video of the year, but probably not the last video we put up, as we'll try to keep ourselves busy over the winter and hopefully get ourselves into some trouble. A trip or two, and who knows what else we'll come up with. Maybe we'll end up in Vegas renting Sea-Doos in the desert. Who the hell knows with us. But yeah, thanks for sticking by for the season, and we'll see you on the next adventure.